Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. I thought that I would come on and film a video today about something that I recently got in the mail. I don't know if you guys know, and I'm going to put it a big version here. But my boyfriend paid somebody on Fiverr. I don't know if you know what Fiverr is. Fiverr is like this website where a bunch of people who do wonderful things charge specific amounts for you to do something. So he paid somebody $7 to make me a logo. So I have a small one that I cut out for stickers right here. But I just showed you the big one. It's beautiful. They did an amazing job. What he did though was take it and have a stamp made. These I figured I could put on the back of paper projects or throw them in with whatever. I could probably make them bigger. I made them small to start because I wasn't sure. Like, I think this would look good on, where's a journal? You've already seen this, so I'll just use this here. This here, like, it would look good on the back. It's a good size for on the back of a project. That's why I have these. But he actually had, let me zoom in for you guys, hold on. He had a rubber stamp made so I can stamp the back of my cards. And here you go. You ready to see it? This is from rubberstamps.com. They did an amazing job. If I can get it out of the package. The only problem I have is they only have plastic on one side, so it sticks to the package. But here it is. Where is something white? Alright. Look at that. It looks so good. So I wanted to come on and show you guys what it looked like and show you how well it stamps, because now I'm going to be starting to use this in my projects. Like I said, is this big enough? Yes. When I'm going to start using this in my projects when I'm making cards and stuff. So I wanted to come on and show you what it looked like. It looks amazing. Like, I'm really happy with it. And I think it stamps very well. It's a sticky stamp, just like a decent quality stamp like anybody else would have. Any other companies. I don't know how much he paid for it. When I will ask him, because he did it behind my back. Like, he did not, he told me after he ordered it. There's a lot of, the only problem is there's a lot of black. A lot of black. So it has to be stamped twice, which is fine by me because when I'm stamping, I'm just putting it in my MISTI and stamping. So when I make cards, I'm going to prep all the bases and then come through and stamp everything. Right there. Gave me a problem. Do I need more ink? Nope. I just have to press harder right there. Oh well. I'm not going to worry about it. There we go. What do you guys think? Look how good that looks. That's going to look great on the back of a card, at the bottom of the back of a card. Then when somebody gets one of my cards, they'll know where it came from and they can look me up if they need to. My boyfriend also wants to do a QR code for me, but I was like, listen, one thing at a time. I've lost everything. I don't know. Oh, I threw my rag away. Damn it, why did I throw my rag away? I don't know, because it's a mess. My rag is a mess, but I need to clean my stamp. Anyway, I will let you know on the screen when I'm editing how much he paid for this stamp, because I'm not sure. I know it was a 2-inch, because he said you had a certain size that you could put it on. A 2-inch. You could put it on a 2-inch piece is what he chose, because he thought that would be a good size. and that, Jesus Christ, he put it on an angle so it would fit. He could get a bigger logo. But there we go. I just thought this was interesting and it looked really good, and I'm actually really happy with how the logo came out and how the stamp came out. So you'll be seeing more and more of that on all my projects from now on. That way, if my projects get sold or I donate to, I used to donate to the nursing home my mother-in-law worked at, but she doesn't work there anymore. She retired. And now I give cards and stuff to the high-rise my mom lives at. There we go. So when somebody uses that card, they'll see that it's from me. And they'll know where to go to look to see if they're interested in more. So I thought that was great, and I just wanted to show you guys, since I'll be using it a heck of a lot more, and to let you know that if you need a logo or a stamp or anything like that, that those are the places I used, and they were great. The woman who did my logo came back multiple times. I think it was like 3 times that he was allowed to change things. That was built into the price. So there's different price points on there. I'll put the link to the website down below for both websites down below. You guys know, if I remember. Right? I'm filming this in March 10th. Today's March 10th, and this won't go up till April. So, because all my March videos are filmed, edited, uploaded, thumbnails, descriptions, titles, everything done for all of March. So, but there you go. Let me know down below what you think of it. I think, let me pull out the sticker again. The color version. And we'll zoom in so you can see. There we go. Let me know down below what you think. I think it came out amazing, and I'm loving it. And by the way, I did these on I did print and cut with my Cricut. That's how I did those. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because we have good crap all the time on this channel. I know it's my channel and it's my opinion, but my opinion counts too. Okay? It does. And my opinion is I have good crap on this channel. So subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.